Hi guys, it's Mooregirl. Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, how you doing? Today I just want to bring you a really quick haul. I know you're going to say, Mooregirl, what happened to the bathroom, Mooregirl? It's coming. It's almost done. I just need a couple little finishing touches. Okay, so I'm going to start filming that tomorrow, so they'll be up before the weekend. All right, so I have this awesome item I got from the Goodwill. I'm not going to tell you right now what it is, but I just have a couple things that I got. I just want to do a quick little haul. It's just a small one, but I went to do, because I'm doing, my spring stuff. It's my table. I didn't do really a tablescape, but I'm bringing my spring colors out. So I have a lot of things that, I'm getting for the spring. So I'll probably do like a small spring tour, and also I'm trying to get with my small patio. I'm trying to get items for that. So everything is going to be kind of like silver with pops of florals and colors. I'm really using a lot of florals in my space this time. And normally I don't. And even I'm bringing it to the patio. So, and also I have that wall that's above my shelf here where my shoe cabinet is. And it's still plain because I didn't know what to put there. So I figured I was going to do one of the arts. I was going to do resin at first, but I'm like, no, I'm not going to do the resin art. But I'll probably do that Z Gallery glitter abstract drawing painting that everyone's doing. So I did check like all the YouTubers to see how they did theirs. I really would like to go to Z Gallery to see it firsthand, to see what type of glitter they use. But if not, I'll just look online. So I probably attempt to make that. So the first thing I did, I went to Michael's. They had a 60% off sale, a 70% off their canvases this weekend, guys. So I did get a large canvas from them. And this was a 28 by 22. And this was only like $9. So that wasn't bad at all. When they have those 70% off, that's when you need to stock up on the canvas. I wish I went back today to get a larger one, but they were gone. And then the sale ended yesterday. Another thing I got was some paints. I did get some paints there. They had some Martha Stewart's that was discontinued. So I'm trying to do a paint collection in my craft area, and I'm getting like a collection like when I see them from 99 cents or half price. So I'm starting to collect a little acrylic paints. And also what I did was I got glitter. So I know some of the people would use, the YouTubers was using like the thick chunkier glitter. I wasn't quite sure if I want to go that way or just use just a fine glitter. I'm not sure. So I wasn't sure what colors. So I got this kit here. This is a really cute kit because it has all the samples, other colors, and I can't wait to. They have this pink right here, you see, and this yellow. I don't know what I'm going to use that for, guys, but I'm going to find something. And then these are the pens. And this I used a 60% coupon because they did have that for a couple days. It was their lowest price of the week last week. So I'm hoping you guys caught that at Michael's. So this was $19.99 and was 60% off. So this was a great deal. All right, so that was really cheap. So I'm going to practice with, before I even put it on my canvas, I would probably do like a little small, just a swatch, just to practice my brush strokes, which kind of grays I want to use, which metallics. Do I want to spray it or do I just want to paint it? Because I've seen it done several times. So I'll always practice before I put it actually on the canvas and say, okay, well, that's art, So I'll do it on a small scale first, see how it comes out, and then use those colors. But I really like this glitter because, again, it has all the colors of the rainbow, just about gorgeous. All right, I went to the Goodwill. I was looking for like the grapevine wreath, and they did have it because I remember seeing it last week, and I wondered did they still have it. Things like that in baskets kind of sit on the shelf. So I got the wreath, not the flowers, but the wreath for about $2 and I think 99 cents. And then with my discount, only paid like $2.39. So this was a good buy. This is a nice size too. So what I did was like a little arrangement. These florals here are at Michael's, guys. So they're at Michael's and they are $2 for the small bunches. So it's like 1, 2, and plus I got the bunch here. So I just checked out some YouTubers just to see how they did this. And this was really simple. I already had the burlap ribbon from last year. And this here, I went to Hobby Lobby. And these was $2.99 just so it could spread out a little bit more. So this is going to go on my patio. Okay, because I wasn't sure how to go with that. Should I go farmhouse? I'm not really farmhouse. It's not really my style. And I already started sort of like a burgundy and I don't know, but it's not the farmhouse. So I'm not going to switch up everything. It might be a mixture of this and that. So, but I think this came out really cute, And I'm not really into flowers, guys. So I watched a bunch of you guys do this. So that was Great. Now, I know a couple weeks ago, you guys, I was looking at Kimberly and all the, you guys did that $5 Goodwill haul. I should have done that last week because you know what is my favorite glass, guys. You should know my favorite glass of all times is that sexy martini glass. So I got this and I got this last week from the Goodwill. These were brand new with tags on them. And this one here has the pocketbook accessories and it has a shoe on it. They're like purple. It's gorgeous. And this one here has the lipsticks and the lips on it. I thought this was really cute. And you know my favorite is sexy martini glasses, guys. Okay, I thought this was cute. I just like it for my decor and this will go on my bar cart. I cannot believe what happened to me. As much as I complain about Goodwill and the prices are out of control, and they are, guys, we know that they're getting out of control. In my city, we still have like 20% discounts for people of a certain age. And not all cities have it. I know another discount, they used to accumulate points now. They stopped that here. But as much as I complain about Goodwill, I keep going back over and over and over again. And I'm glad I did. So then I went to get the grapevine wreath. I was at the counter, just spending my little $2, and I went to check out. I looked behind the counter at the cashiers. I'm like, what is that back there? Guys, always check back the counters in the back behind the cashiers because they have the long counters where they place their favorite items on there. Some really good deals. Sometimes you'll see artwork or televisions, sunglasses, and jewelry over there. So I'm like, what is that? What's that box? He says it's a light fixture. So I'm like, let me see it. So I'm like, this is gorgeous, really nice light fixture. I said, how much? He said, $25. I said, $25. I said, oh no, I can go to Home Depot for $25. I'm not spending $25 here. So he says, if you buy it right now, $10. I give it to you for 10. So first I said, but I said, you know more, girl, if you don't get it, you know what's going to happen. You'll regret it and it's going to be gone. That happened too many times to me. So I said, okay, I'll get it. What he forgot to do was tag it, red tag. So then after that, it came off another 20%. So I got it for $7.99. Check this out, guys. Tell me this is not the best. I think this is the best deal of all my Goodwill hauls that I got. Look at this. Look at this. It's a 3-light pendulum. It is absolutely, look at that, gorgeous. Guys, this is brand new. In the box, okay? Instructions and all. Okay, so the top of this is like a chrome fixture. Okay. Look how gorgeous is this item. All 3 wrapped up, brand new, and it hangs. So one will go up, down, and up, or however you want to design it. Absolutely, and it's heavy too. It's like a block. It reminds me of those like crystal blocks. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So $7.99, guys. I could not beat that. And I'm gonna show you what the real price is. Will you believe this? $179.99 at Home Depot. So the tag had, it was returned for store credit. So I don't know what happened, that maybe the person just returned it. I don't know what happened and just gave it to the Goodwill. So I lucked out. I lucked out. I think that was my favorite, my all-time favorite, best haul yet, or item I got from the Goodwill. I know you guys always saying that I find good items. I do. But the reason why I do find good items, because here in my city it's transient. People come and go and they move so often that some people come here for a year to work and their jobs will send them away. So they get rid of everything. If they can't sell it, they'll donate it. And that's how come I look out with so many good things here in this city. So guys, amazing. That is amazing. So I cannot wait to hang it. I'm not going to make it permanent because it has a recessed lighting up there now. So what I'm going to do is probably get the round plaques from the wood, from Michael's, mount it to that, mount a wood on there, and then use like a drawstring and bring it down. And also when I use my cords to plug in, I decorate my cord like I did for my living room. And I do my crystal light that I have over my beauty area. So I just make a plug it in the outlet, guys. It's temporary, it's not permanent. All right, guys, so I just wanted to show you that quick haul. That was absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to hang this up. And maybe I'll just wait to hang it and then do like a spring tour like in about a couple weeks. You know, I want to do the bathroom this week and maybe after that do a spring one. I'm not sure about the patio, if I'm going to do a tour with that. I don't know, because I did some really cool things on the patio. Maybe I'll show it out. I'll let you guys know if I feel comfortable. You know, it's just privacy reasons. So guys, that's just my quick haul, and I will be filming tomorrow. And so again, I just need a couple things for the bathroom. Everything else I got, everything is hung, everything looks good, very cozy. I really love it. I actually like it better than rose gold bathroom, guys. The color, I just like it better. It just feels like comfortable. I love it. So anyway, I will show that to you as well. So guys, this is your Mooregirl, and thanks again for coming to my channel. And don't forget, guys, like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to get to that 5,000. I'm closer to 4,000 subscribers. So guys, I need you guys to subscribe. So do that to me, and also share this, because I know a lot of you guys like my Goodwill hauls, and you never know. Be creative in whatever you do. I am a Goodwill girl. I know how we feel about the Goodwill, but I'm still a Goodwill girl, because I don't see a lot of thrift stores, like regular thrift stores in my city. So, you know, I'm stuck with Goodwill. All right, guys, it's your Mooregirl, and thanks for coming to my channel. All right, I'll see you in a few days.